Yeah, so we have Apple logo. And nothing. Apple logo and nothing. So after liquid damage, this device still powering on, but just boot looping on Apple logo. Okay, and we have here something very interesting. Oh yes, battery connector. And motherboard gone, and actually battery connector itself gone too. Well, technically you can solder this battery connector back on both, or maybe just on the motherboard. Maybe battery is now dead. Okay, let's solder the battery connector and let's check this device is powering on or not. Motherboard is disassembled. There are some impact on the back housing, so back housing is cracked. And I guess in any way we need to test, because it's possible this device will stay out of network or something, because pins on the bottom motherboard can be cracked. What we have on motherboard? No very hard, something like liquid damage or something. I just checked motherboard, there are a few marks. So red mark sticker on the SIM tray. What is not very bad. No corrosion on the motherboard itself, what is very good. So probably this device will work. Still question about the network, because we have heavy impact on the bottom, on the back glass. So probably some pins can be cracked or missing. They connect bottom and top motherboard, and in this case there will be no network or no Wi-Fi, or everything will be fine. So what we need to do, we need to replace this this cracked connector, and probably the device will work again. Probably the device will work again. Not a clear image. Yeah, so how badly damaged connector. Okay, we'll desolder this connector now to prepare, because there are corrosion, everything. I need to prepare places, and after we will see this device will work or not. Okay, charging port is replaced. Let's see together. Yeah, how it looks like now. So brand new charging port. What is done? This diode. I checked everything all around the charging port. So this diode was that. I replaced it. This element was corroded. I replaced it. Everything now looks more fine. Of course, I will close all components all around charging port with the mask, UV mask, and yeah, looks not bad now. Let's see if this device works or not. Okay, let's plug this device to power supply. Before we put the screen. And let's see there any positive outcome. If everything is fine, it means we just need to replace battery, that's all. Okay. Okay, not bad. So we have 0 consumption before boot. And we have boot. All right. And we have image on the screen. Everything is fine. And the screen is a bit dark due to sensor is not connected. Okay, let's connect sensor one more time. Okay, let's boot this device again. By the way, interesting, this device reads SIM cards or not. What is interesting? Let's say network free. I don't know, this device is locked or not. Okay. Okay. And we have network 4G. It means we don't need to separate motherboards.